Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the SpongeBob PPT Baam game. Let's check it out. The SpongeBob PowerPoint game is made by Sprite06 of the Waygroup forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video so you can get your own copy of this PPT. The main screen is loaded jellyfish and you have to choose one of the letters. We chose letter A. Bring you to a question screen. They answer the question correct. You can choose the crying Bob to go back to the home screen if it was incorrect. If it was correct, they can click on the Bob to the right. You'll receive an amount of burgers, as burgers denote points. To return home, click on Bob. There are many special events. We hope you like our SpongeBob PPT walkthrough. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and remember to look at the comment section to be able to get your own copy of the PPT download.